First million.
$1 million.
My first million.
$1 million.
Million in gross commissions.
But wait, before you pop your champagne and get a party started, let's talk about leveling up your million revenue instead of throwing it all in the drain. Today I'll be sharing few tips on how to get you started on the right track. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know how. So, as your company has leveled up and has reached the annual turnover tier of millions, this is where more paperwork comes in. You might hate me for saying this, but as your annual turnover for your company has reached 1 million, this is where your company has to be GST registered. But don't hate me too much on that, because all those suppliers that have taxed you on the purchased goods, you may now claim back from IRAS. Let me share with you two types of tax. There is output tax and there is input tax. So output tax is where you charge your clients when your company is GST registered. Now input tax is where suppliers charge you on the purchased goods for your company. So two different things about this is when your output tax is greater than your input tax, this is where you need to pay IRAS for the tax. But when your input tax is greater than your output tax, IRAS will pay you. So as your company has been GST registered, this is where you need to carry out GST tax filing. Do note that GST tax filing is carried out on a quarterly basis. And as a business owner, I understand that you want to carry out everything on yourself, do all the tax, accounting, and even the GST tax filing. But this actually just burdens you out. So by investing in a proper qualified accountant, this is where you can let them handle your bookkeeping and carry out your accounting work on an accurate and timely manner. So now that you've understand the basic of GST tax filing, the choice is yours to make to either double your company's revenue or to lose it all.